The Nike KD18 Vivid Purple, Black, Hyper Pink brings bold flair and DMV heritage to Kevin Durant's signature line. Featuring glossy, Foamposite-style material across the upper, the silhouette mirrors the iconic 2009 Eggplant Air Foamposite One, though Nike hasn't officially confirmed the connection. The vivid purple dominates from forefoot to heel, while pink mesh gradients on the toe and sides add energetic contrast. The sneaker continues Nike basketball's blend of performance and storytelling, nodding to designs rooted in Durant's hometown culture. As retro KD models make a comeback, the KD18 stands out with its vibrant and nostalgic twist. While official release details on Nike.com are yet to be announced, official images suggest a drop is coming soon. This edition maintains the KD18's momentum with fresh storytelling and standout aesthetics, perfect for fans of both modern basketball tech and throwback styling.